What if your next roommate didn't sleep, eat, or complain and could clean your kitchen, fold laundry, serve dinner, and guard your house all at once? Elon Musk's newest reveal isn't science fiction anymore. It's walking into your life this November. Forget what you thought robots look like. This isn't some clunky piece of metal with blinking lights or awkward arms. The Tesla Bot V3, also known as Optimus Gen 3, feels more like the future dressed in an Apple-style skin. With a seamless black and white shell and a sleek, human-like frame, it blends futuristic minimalism with real-world functionality. There's no unsettling human face, just a glossy black visor where emotions and signals light up through a new LED facial interface. It's not trying to look like us. Instead, it's designed to work with us in homes, hospitals, hotels, even restaurants. And yes, it walks smoothly, not like a robot in a sci-fi film, but more like someone confidently navigating your living room without knocking over the furniture. Weighing about 56 kilograms, 123 pounds, the Tesla Bot V3 is light enough to be safe around kids and the elderly, but powerful enough to carry out serious tasks. It can fold clothes, carry packages, prep meals, stock shelves, and handle thousands of other jobs. Musk claims it's now capable of learning tasks in real-world conditions, a huge leap from earlier demos. This is where Tesla's real secret sauce comes in: cross-platform integration. The bot runs on the same AI brainpower as Tesla's full self-driving chip. That means it's not just walking and grabbing things. It's seeing, thinking, and making decisions using real-time data from upgraded wide-angle EV cameras and sensor clusters. In short, it's not being remote controlled. It's navigating the world on its own. Here's something wild. Tesla is using gigapress die casting, the same tech used to mold the Cybertruck's exoskeleton to produce the bot's frame. Why? Efficiency. Tesla's manufacturing focus isn't just about innovation. It's about making 10,000 bots fast, scalable, and affordable. And affordability isn't a buzzword here. Musk wants the bot priced under $20,000, roughly the same as a small car. That's a jaw-dropper when you consider the technology packed inside. Even crazier, it's modular. Arms, legs, and sensors are fully detachable and replaceable. Break a limb? No problem. It's not a hospital trip, it's a quick swap. Instead of reinventing every component, Tesla did something smarter. It borrowed tech from its electric vehicles. The Optimus Gen 3 is powered by Tesla's 4680 lithium-ion battery cells, the same ones used in their cutting-edge EVs. The motors? Custom electric drives, optimized for energy efficiency and torque. Thermal management systems? Directly adapted from Tesla vehicles to keep the bot running cool, even during long tasks. That power optimization matters. At idle, it uses just 100 watts, less than a light bulb. While walking, it uses around 500 watts. That means this thing could operate for hours on a single charge, doing actual work, not just walking in place for show. Let's talk about what really matters: the 3,000 tasks. The Tesla Bot V3 isn't just for showrooms. It's already being tested for use in restaurants, serving food, cleaning, bussing tables. In hospitals, it's helping transport medication or supplies. In homes, it could vacuum, do dishes, water plants, or even play with pets. This is not hypothetical. Musk revealed that Tesla Bot V3 has been trained on real-world tasks using AI similar to the neural nets that teach cars how to drive. So it doesn't need to be programmed with a million rules. It learns through doing. You show it a task, and over time, it gets better at it. That's machine learning in action. And in a world struggling with labor shortages, that could be revolutionary. One of the most striking things about the V3 is how polished it looks. It's not industrial or experimental. It's intentionally styled like a commercial tech product. Think iPhone meets Wall-E. Tesla is clearly leaning into this design to shift public perception. They want people to feel like this is something that belongs in their house, not a science fair. It's dust-resistant, impact-tolerant, and easy to clean. Maintenance? You won't need a technician on speed dial. Thanks to its modular build and internal diagnostics, Most issues can be handled with part swaps or simple firmware updates. The point here is accessibility. Musk isn't just pitching this to industries. He wants this in regular homes. That's why the V3 has safety sensors to prevent injury, especially around kids or pets. Lower weight, soft limbs, smart fail-safes, and now the clock is ticking. With a public November 2025 launch window now confirmed, the pressure is on. Tesla's factories are gearing up. A few demo units are already being tested behind closed doors, and with every passing week, more videos are leaking out of V3, walking, lifting, reacting, and even talking through its LED faceplate. But here's the part nobody expected. It's not just a tool, it's starting to act. Aware. Tesla Bot V3 doesn't speak like a human, but that LED facial interface? It now displays expressive cues, visual emotions like understanding, alertness, and response acknowledgement. If you tell it to stop, it blinks a tick check mark. If it needs help, it flashes a warning. This isn't just functional, it's psychological. Tesla is designing the bot to communicate in ways humans subconsciously respond to. It's a layer of emotional intelligence built into a machine, and that means interaction feels less mechanical and more intuitive. You don't need to study a manual or learn commands. You just point, speak, and the bot adapts. This design language is Musk's quiet masterstroke, making the robot feel less like a servant and more like a silent assistant who gets it. Remember when people laughed at the first Tesla Roadster? Or when full self-driving seemed impossible? This is that moment again. The idea of a humanoid robot in your house used to belong in sci-fi movies. But V3 is walking proof that we're past the fantasy stage. This thing exists. It's walking, lifting, learning. Today. And in typical Musk fashion, he's not stopping at one model. Tesla is already exploring specialized versions, bots for elder care, warehouse logistics, even security patrol. Some variants may come equipped with extra sensors, reinforced joints, or tool-specific hands. Why? Because the market potential is colossal. From Japan's aging population to U.S. service labor shortages, there's a global demand for reliable, tireless, trainable workers. The Tesla Bot V3, if it scales as planned, might become the new blueprint. Here's where the story gets even more meta. Tesla isn't just building the bots, it's using bots to build more bots. The robots building robots idea sounds like a sci-fi plot twist, but it's exactly what Tesla's aiming for. Using modular architecture and automation at their gigafactories, Tesla is cutting down labor and time per unit drastically. Arms snap into shoulder joints, vision units click into heads, legs lock into sockets. It's like building a high-tech Lego figure, only it walks away when you're done. And because the bots are built on the same 4,680 battery platform and EV-grade motors, Tesla can leverage existing supply chains to ramp up production faster than competitors who are starting from scratch. Of course, no innovation comes without serious questions. And let's be honest, this one raises a few. How do we prevent misuse? What happens if bots are hacked or misprogrammed? Will robots replace human jobs at scale or just fill in the gaps? Musk says he's deeply aware of the ethical stakes. Tesla's safety features, light build, and capped force thresholds are meant to reduce injury risk. And like Tesla's cars, the bots are always connected, allowing real-time monitoring, remote shutdowns, and usage logs. So the question isn't, can we do it? It's, should we, and how carefully? Other tech companies are years behind. Boston Dynamics still focuses on high-mobility research units. Amazon's home robots aren't remotely as advanced. Tesla isn't trying to impress investors. It's trying to ship these to your door. And if even 1% of homes or businesses adopt one, it changes everything. Work, labor, even how we define productivity. If this blew your mind even a little, or made you imagine a Tesla bot cooking your midnight noodles, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Got questions or predictions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your take on it. And if you want to stay ahead of these mind-bending tech updates, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Catch you in the future.